Hey everyone! So, your Apple TV 4K needs a reset, but your remote is missing, broken, or just plain refusing to work. Well, good news. It is possible to reset it without a remote. Bad news? It's not as simple as pressing a magic button. But today I'll walk you through the few tricks we've got. They're beginner-friendly. Well, mostly. Method 1. Using an iPhone or iPad. If you have an iPhone or iPad and your Apple TV was already connected to your Wi-Fi, this is your best shot. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Tap the Apple TV remote icon. Select your Apple TV from the list. If you see a code on the TV screen, just type it into your phone. Once connected, go to Settings, System, Reset. Choose either Reset or Reset and Update. Heads up. This only works if your Apple TV is still responsive and connected to Wi-Fi. Method 2. Using a Mac plus Xcode plus Ethernet. I'll be honest, this one's not really beginner-friendly. You'll need a Mac computer, Apple's Xcode software, and an Ethernet cable. Connect your Apple TV to your router with Ethernet, then open Xcode and go to Window, Devices. Next, find your Apple TV using its IP address. From there you can try to restore it. Last resort, contact Apple support. The Apple TV 4K doesn't have a USB port like older models, but here's a tip. If it's a software issue, sometimes they'll repair it for free. So that's it. A couple of ways to reset your Apple TV 4K without a remote. If you found this helpful, drop a like and maybe it'll be your lucky day.